most common household staple as we have it in the kitchen almost all the time. Today's video discusses what comes up if we pours hot water over store-bought apple. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Some of you buy apples from the store and feel satisfied as they believe that they have purchased a healthy food for the family. However, this may not always be true, as newest research has shown that store-bought apples are often covered with dangerous wax. Of course, these fruit produce a natural wax in order to seal in moisture, but it has been found that apples are often covered with a food-grade wax with the aim to remain in storage longer, and some food grade wax is made from petroleum products. Of course, petroleum is harmful to the body and its health. Therefore, you should try and find a local farm stand or farmers market and buy your apples there, as those fruit contain their natural wax only. Yet you should clean your apple well before consumption in order to ensure that they are clean of dangerous ingredients. Moreover, you can try to clean the wax from the skin by adding them in your sink full of lukewarm water, a tablespoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Scrub the apple well with a fruit scrub brush. Rinse them and pat them dry. But the only true way to consistently decrease pesticide intake is to eat organic wherever possible. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.